ಕರೋನಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದರೂ ಸಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತೀವ್ರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ಪುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿರಳ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ಆಯೋಗದ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್.ಜಿ. ಆನಂದ್ ರವರು ನಗರದ ಡಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ನಗರದ ಡಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ಆಯೋಗದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್.ಜಿ. ಆನಂದ್ ರವರು ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವ ಹಾಗೂ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೇತರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವು ಸಹ ಕರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
So I need to have two appreciations for Davangere district. One is the highest number of the institutional delivery. Rather than Anganwadi worker or Asha worker or auxiliary nurse or midwife, they will inform to the registration to be done and registered deliveries to be done in place. So they plays a vital role because of the effectiveness of the district administration. And number two is conducting of more awareness campaigns. Such like example, there are the notable, means there are so many campaigns are conducted, but what is the observation in the commission? In the last 6 months, they have conducted 37 exclusive programs, especially for the awareness of children. It includes two things. One is child marriage. So this is the thing was requested by the Honorable Prime Minister. In the meanwhile, third wave, if the third hit will be, it can be prevented. So what I am trying to say is, as per assumption of third wave, every district, every state was prepared. But as a medical doctor from the National Commission of Protection of Child Rights, I have mentioned that there will not be a third wave if we follow the 3 mantras of our Honorable Prime Minister. I am sure about it because I have a research study based upon that I am telling you. Because the wave 1 impact and the wave 2 impact we analyzed, the second wave was earlier affected to the children. Yes, children are affected in the second wave, but not in a very vulnerable manner. Means it was coming with a frequent gastrointestinal problem along with the lung suffocation, and then it will be, children will be all right after the proper immunoboosters and productive care. Why we are not attending schools, what is COVID, whether COVID has come to us, and why the mothers are at home. There are lot of psychological stress to the children. So many questions, but it needs to be answered in a proper way. For Honorable Prime Minister, that more vaccination, social distance and wearing of mask. These are the 3 mantras. With that, I am 100% sure that we can prevent the third wave. To be very frank and honest.
ಇನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಒತ್ತಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸಂವೇದನ ಎಂಬ 1800 121 2830 ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕರೋನಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಒತ್ತಡಗಳ ನಿವಾರಣೆಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
The National Commission of Protection of Child Rights NCPCR has initiated a scheme called Samvedana. SAMVEDNA, Samvedana. What is that is? It is a toll-free number. The toll-free number is 1800 121 2830. I am repeating once again. The number is 1800 121 2830. What we are going to do with the district officials today about the preparedness, that is already I mentioned that what is mean preparedness means how many lactating mothers so far vaccinated, how many children, mothers of children data so far vaccinated. So how the vaccination drive happening here, that thing. Along with that, how the COVID care, and very I want to share one of the good news also. There is no infected children in the hospital presently with the symptomatic COVID. So that voice of choice is very important. It is also rather than very important that 90% of the Indian toy market has only from the foreign imported toys. Say like the toy from 5 rupees to 10 rupees. We purchased during this COVID period also, the shops available from the other countries. So We want to promote the skills of the local toy makers, especially the wood-made toys, sand-made toys, and this thing. This will income the GDP of the country, growth development prevented. So what I am trying to say is, as per assumption of third wave, every district, every state was prepared. But as a medical doctor from the National Commission of Protection of Child Rights, I have mentioned that there will not be. Yes.
ಈ ವೇಳೆ ವೈದ್ಯರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಗರದ ಹಿರಿಯ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು.
ಬರ್ರಿ